from Cavite.
Pumunta na Marikina kami from Pasig for a fundraiser, coffee outside event or get together. May mga kakilala, kaibigan, may familiar faces, mga barista, roaster, mga nakasama sa previous coffee outside and cycling ganaps.
Bayan yung tubig yung crucial eh.
Ito, legit to. From Cavite.
Parang standard tong Stanley na nalagyan ah.
Perugesha Los Santos is a premium coffee renowned for its complex floral and fruity flavors, bright acidity, fragrant aroma, and a winey finish, cultivated in the ideal high-altitude conditions of the Los Santos region.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Salamat. Ano kaya to?
Kuha ka lang. Ewan ko kung Brazilian o geisha. Kanina geisha yung masaya. And barista from Weekend Coffee. Meron dito from No Perfect Cup, no? Guest barista ng No Perfect Cup.
Favorite mo ni Draper?
V60 kasi ko eh. Ito yung ano, yung Hario na Zebrang na V60. Ginawa ng Hario to for outdoor.
Ay, wala yung ano, yung
Eto.
patungan.
Oo. Sa unit to, ito, wala yan.
So paki-follow po yung Marikina TFPI na page. Doon po natin yung 500 pa.
Gago, ilalaglag mo yung mga.
Uy, walang laman. Wala laman yan ah. Meron. Meron pala. Hello po, thank you. Walang laman.
Teka, ayusin natin. Para kita yung.
Ayun, no?